Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is everywhere. It's a powerful tool that can automate tasks, improve efficiency, and even create new possibilities. One of the most exciting areas of AI is the development of AI agents. These intelligent programs are designed to act autonomously, learning and adapting to complete tasks. AI agents are poised to revolutionize the way we work, making our lives easier and more productive. AI agents are like digital assistants. They use sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to perform tasks. These tasks can range from scheduling appointments to analyzing complex data. Imagine having a team of tireless workers available 24/7. AI agents can handle repetitive or time-consuming tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. They can learn from their experiences, becoming more efficient and accurate over time. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI agents apart. AI agents are already making their mark across various industries. In healthcare, AI agents can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and developing treatment plans. In finance, they can analyze market trends and manage investments. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots can answer questions and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Manufacturing, transportation, and education are also benefiting from the power of AI agents. The possibilities are endless as we continue to explore the potential of this transformative technology. Section 4. The power of AI. Agents, efficiency, and beyond. The benefits of using AI agents are numerous and transformative. They can significantly increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and streamlining complex workflows, allowing human workers to focus on more strategic activities. AI agents can work tirelessly without breaks, operating 24/7, which saves businesses both time and money and ensures continuous productivity. They also reduce the risk of human error, leading to greater accuracy and improved quality of work, which is crucial in fields requiring high precision. Moreover, AI agents can provide valuable insights by analyzing vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, helping organizations make better, data-driven decisions. This data-driven approach can lead to new discoveries and innovations, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in research and development. Section 5. Overcoming challenges. Embracing the AI revolution. Like any new technology, the adoption of AI agents comes with its own set of challenges. These challenges can range from technical issues to societal impacts. One major concern is the potential displacement of human workers, which can lead to economic instability. However, history has shown that technological advancements often create new job opportunities, transforming industries and economies. It's crucial to focus on retraining and upskilling the workforce to adapt to these changes, ensuring that no one is left behind in this transition. Another significant challenge is ensuring the ethical and responsible use of AI agents, which requires a collective effort. We must establish clear guidelines and regulations to prevent bias, protect privacy, and ensure that AI benefits all of society. Section 6. The future of work, a symphony of humans and AI. The future of work is not about replacing humans with machines. Instead, it's about creating a harmonious partnership where both can thrive. It's about finding the right balance between human ingenuity and AI capabilities, leveraging the strengths of both. AI agents will handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to engage in more meaningful activities. While humans can focus on creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, areas where they truly excel. This collaboration will unlock new levels of productivity and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. The integration of AI into our workflows will transform industries, create new opportunities, and redefine job roles, and improve our lives in countless ways, from smarter homes to more efficient cities. It's an exciting time to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, witnessing the dawn of a new era.